We can speak there with may, might and must as well. As you know that may and might are spoken when we are not sure about something, that this thing will happen in future or not, something will be done in future or not, somebody will do something or not, we are not sure about it, then we speak may or might. So you can use may be and might be with there when you want to talk about that something will be somewhere or something will be in something or on something. So you can use there. For example, there might be a few students in the class. Means you are going to attend the class and I say to you that there might be a few students in the class today. In the class today, because today is a special day, it's a special day and there might be a few students today because of some reason. There may be a chair in the room, there may be a few chairs in the room, there may be a bank on this road, there may be an ATM nearby. Okay, thank you so much for watching the video. Bye bye for now. Allah Hafiz.